Welcome to this video on the student side of Sentry. Sentry uses AI to recommend learning to students and provides teachers with data to support interventions. We have content for English, Maths and Science from Year 3 to Year 11, including functional skills coverage. Sentry identifies your students' knowledge and any gaps or misconceptions they might have. It uses this information to create a personalised learning pathway for every student. This is the student's recommended pathway. It shows them the topics they should study next, based on their strengths and areas for improvement. The pathway is populated by micro-lessons, known as nuggets. Students begin their learning journey by completing one of our diagnostic assessments. Diagnostics are baseline assessments that kickstart the recommendation engine. They do not receive feedback on their performance in a diagnostic. Every time a learner completes a diagnostic or nugget, their pathway will update based on what Sentry thinks they should study next. Nuggets with this symbol have been recommended by Sentry as an area to improve on. Let's take a closer look at a nugget. These are bite-sized pieces of learning. They are created by a wonderful team of ex-teachers. Nuggets include learning materials in the form of videos and slideshows, followed by questions. This isn't a test, so learners can go back to the learning materials at any stage. They receive immediate feedback. At the end of the nugget, learners can select to try again with different questions. As a teacher, you can also set nuggets for your learners, which will sit at the front of their pathway. In addition, the platform also recommends nuggets as a memory boost to ensure learners review content at the optimum time. Your learners can view all of the nuggets in a course that has been assigned to them in their My Courses tab. Here they can check on their recent activity, course progress, and complete a useful nugget. They can check in on their progress across an entire course in the Courses tab. That's the student side of the platform in a nutshell.